Welcome to our training on how to create and submit an order in Seller Central for the FBA Liquidations program. You can submit an FBA Liquidations order the same way you submit a removal order to have inventory returned to you or disposed of. First, open the main menu in Seller Central. Hover over Inventory, then click Manage All Inventory. You can manually create a liquidation order from any inventory page where you can create a removal order. Find the product that you want to create a liquidation order for. On the right side of the screen, click the drop-down menu arrow next to the Edit button and select Create Removal Order. Alternatively, you can select the checkboxes for multiple ASINs that you want to liquidate and click the Actions On button in the upper left corner of the screen. Then select Create Removal Order from the drop-down menu. On the next screen, you'll see the products you checked. Click Yes, Continue at the top. On the Create Removal Order screen, select the Liquidations radio button on the left-hand side. Once you've selected that radio button, you'll see a description of FBA Liquidations in the middle of the screen and can click the Help page link to learn more about the program. To the right of that message, you have the option to enter a removal order ID unique to your liquidation order. Next to your product, you'll see empty text fields relating to the fulfillable and unfulfillable quantity you can liquidate. If the text fields are grayed out and say N/A, it means either that you have no inventory with that status or that units may not be eligible for liquidation. If you have ineligible units, you'll see the number of ineligible units below the text field. Clicking that message will open a list of reasons why units might not be eligible. For example, a message stating that your inventory has been classified as hazardous material means that the unit you're trying to liquidate is ineligible because of hazmat restrictions. After you review your ineligible inventory, enter the quantity of eligible inventory you want to liquidate and click Review. A pop-up window will appear showing you the removal order ID, number of SKUs, removal method, and quantities to liquidate. You'll also find a link to the Terms and Conditions page. Click Confirm to submit your order. Congratulations! You've submitted an FBA Liquidations order. Once you've submitted your order, monthly and long-term storage fees for those items will no longer accrue. To get started with FBA Liquidations, go to Seller Central and start creating your removal order. For more information, search FBA Liquidations in Seller University and watch the remaining FBA Liquidations videos. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!